Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you a winter special sweet recipe which is as tasty as it is healthy. It is made with milk and dates and its texture comes absolutely grainy with light sweetness and amazing winter vibes. In winters, joints and bones often hurt and dates contains calcium and magnesium which help in keeping the bones strong. So without wasting time, let's start today's recipe. First of all, we will take 250 grams of dates. Clean the dates properly so that there is no dust or stickness left. Now cut them into small pieces. The smaller the dates are cut, the faster they will melt in the milk and the mixture will become smooth and rich. Now in a big karai, we will add the dates. Now take 1.5 liter lukewarm milk. So here this milk is absolutely light warm. We don't want to heat it too much, so we will pour this milk into the chopped dates and let it soak for 30 minutes. This will make the dates soft and later while cooking they will easily mix into the milk. After half an hour we will lightly grind the dates. So here with the help of hand blender we will blend the dates in the milk for a few seconds. So here you can see that after blending the dates have divided into even small pieces and have mixed well with the milk. Now at this stage we will add sugar. So here we will add sugar according to how sweet we want to make it. Although dates are already have sweetness, but to make it little more sweet I am adding 50 grams of sugar here. If you want to reduce or increase it, you can adjust the quantity as per your choice. After adding sugar, we will mix it well and keep cooking it while continuously stirring. So here you can see that the milk has started boiling. The dates and milk have started mixing well. Now at this stage, we will add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. This is completely optional. If you don't like its flavor, you can skip it. After adding cardamom powder, again we will mix the mixture properly and keep cooking until all the milk gets dry. So here you can see that the milk has reduced to half and the dates have also started getting soft. So we will keep stirring continuously like this and cook it on medium-high flame. Remember, continuously stirring is very important. Otherwise it will stick at the bottom, get burnt and smoky smell will start coming. It will take around 1 hour for it to dry while cooking, and in this 1 hour milk will slowly reduce, dates will completely melt and blend into the milk. Mixture will keep getting thicker and after about an hour this mixture will become thick and grainy in texture. Here you can see that all the milk has completely evaporated and the mixture has started drying. So after cooking continuously for about 35 to 40 minutes, you can see that the mixture have completely dried. Now at this stage we will add 50 ml ghee. As soon as you add ghee, its aroma will start coming amazingly. Now stir it continuously for about 5 minutes. This will bring shine to the mixture, a slight golden color and its taste will become even richer. So keeping the flame absolutely low, we will roast it properly with the ghee. We will cook it until this texture starts sticking to the spoon. You will see that the mixture will start leaving the pan easily. This is our perfect stage. All the milk from the dates have cooked and dried and it also sticks to the spoon. Even when you lift the spoon like this, it doesn't fall, which means it has come to a perfectly dry, thick burfi style consistency. Now lightly grease a tray with ghee and pour the ready hot mixture into the tray. Remember, cooking on low flame helps the mixture set perfectly and makes cutting the pieces easier later. If you want a slightly rich flavor, 1 teaspoon desi ghee at the end. This increases the shine too and makes spreading easier. Now with the help of spoon, spread the mixture evenly in the tray. Spread the mixture in the tray while hot. Once cold it becomes hard and doesn't spread. Garnish on top with finely chopped almonds. You can also use pistachio or cashew if you want. This is totally optional. And sugar quantity you can increase or decrease. Dates are already sweet, so you don't need too much sugar. Now let the tray cool at room temperature for 2 to 3 hours so that mixture sets properly. When the mixture cools completely and feels firm to touch, then cut it into pieces of your choice. Square, rectangle, diamond, whichever you like. And that's it. Our winter special dates and milk sweet is ready. Grainy in texture and absolutely perfect for winters. You can store it for 7 to 10 days in an airtight container. If you like this recipe, then like the video, subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which winter special recipe you would like to see next. See you in the next video with a new exciting recipe. Till then, take care and enjoy this healthy winter sweet.